everyone, you're welcome to BGC.
This evening, I want to take a stroll around my neighborhood, BGC, to see what it's like this Christmas season. Let us look at the Christmas decorations that are available, the vibe here, the people here, to just have a feel of that BGC nightlife during the festive season. So walk along with me. And please do subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below.
We can see the crowd is building up. People are coming from far and wide. Oh, I just felt a raindrop. I hope it doesn't rain. This is so gorgeous from all around. So let us step down. Let's see what more we can get here. The rain is getting serious out here. It looks like there is an event here. Let's go closer to see what it's like. People have pulled out their umbrellas. I don't have mine, unfortunately, so we're just gonna find a way to beat the rain somehow. Oh, people are eating over here. What's going on? I've not been down here in a while. What is going on here? You can see the Christmas spirit here in BGC. BGC cannot remain the same until January 1. What brand is this? Okay. I didn't know they had a fair here. Video. Okay, so there's a fair going on here. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, this is for the fair. This is not for the Christmas unboxing. Beautiful. So much to eat and drink. Let's go see more of the Christmas installations. Let's go find the tree. Hello! Let's go find the tree even before the unboxing. I have not seen the tree at all, so let me go see what it's like before the official lighting. Oh, look at this mall. Their decor is so pretty in there. Oh my goodness. Let's go in, should we? Or should we go in later? Okay, let's save it. We'll see it later. Let's go find the tree. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty in there. Oh, look at our screen. The 3D billboard. Oh my goodness, this rain is now a lot. I have to take cover. Oh, look at the tree over there. That's the tree. Let's go closer. Gotta run for two reasons, the rain and the light. Okay, look at that. This is the BGC Christmas tree. It has not been unboxed yet, so we still have that coming up. But you can see it's all ready and sealed off for the main ceremony. We are in our festive mood out here. Hello! Hi! Look at the tree. Oh, I can see a gingerbread house there. Oh, this is gonna be pretty. Yeah, welcome to BGC. Welcome to BGC. So we have a lot to look forward to, and one of them is the official unboxing of the Christmas celebration here in BGC. It's an event that happens every year, and it's usually really big. There's going to be a lot of musical performances, dance, fireworks, the lighting of the tree. It's always usually big. The unboxing is going to happen in a few days, so we are going to be here to witness that. Let me cross over so I can show you more. We have a lot of Christmas lights and trees here already, but the official one is coming up later. I want to take you into this mall to see the amazing Christmas decor they have in there. It is truly gorgeous. Lovely. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. This is Central Square Mall. Is this Central Square? Central Square. This is so beautiful. So gorgeous. Every year I look forward to seeing the decor in here. Oh wow, look at that. This is truly gorgeous. This is the main entrance.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely
Gorgeous. Oh, there are trees all around here.
We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we'll meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's